What's up, boys? Pitbike Adventure 7 coming at ya. We've been grinding them for like the past 3 days. I'm kind of just waiting on the parts for my Bayou, which my piston rebuild kit comes tomorrow. Sup, dears? And then the day after that, my new like top cylinder head comes with like the new valves and camshaft and stuff. So that'll be nice once I get that fixed. I just painted all the racks today and stuff. It is an amazing sunset, so we're gonna go see that. So we're riding out to the hill. Haven't been up there in a bit. Sunset is amazing. And I'm gonna get a new carburetor for this guy soon. I'm thinking, well, the thing was, I really wanted a knockoff, but then like all the knockoffs are going out of stock, which is really annoying. Yeah, all the knockoff carburetors are going out of stock nowadays. I don't know why. I think it's because everything's from China and they might have to put a ban on them. But Tatas are out of stock until June 20th, which really sucks for a lot of y'all, because I know y'all were talking to me about that. Climb this hill. Oh, look at that sunset, dudes. That is looking nice. Wish I brought my camera out here. Look at that. You can just see that sun. Let's get on a little bit taller. Whew. That is looking nice. Let's take a picture for the snaps and stuff. Man, that looks like an amazing sunset. Holy crap, these weeds are going freaking crazy up here. Those are like almost as tall as this hill. Yeah, I kind of wanted to go down that way, but like, I don't know, because sometimes that's blocked off and then people get mad if you ride right there behind their houses. I literally just came up here just in time because you can see the sun's already down now. Like, I was here and it was just a tiny bit above those hills. If I came out like a few minutes earlier, that would have been perfect. But hey, we got to see that. I'm going to see if I can go that way real quick, hit that up, and then come back. This might be a pretty short episode, but we'll see. So one thing I'll be completely honest with is I'm always like, yeah, there's like nothing else to explore. When I say that, there's like hardly anything that I haven't explored really. Like, I've been back that way. I haven't been there on film, which is why I kind of thought about it. And I didn't go like all the way back. I took a different route. So there's a lot of stuff like that where it's like I take a different route, or I've been back there but y'all haven't seen it on film, and I'm kind of like, well, there's nothing else to show y'all or explore, but really there's just a few things. So really, I'm just wondering if they got rid of that. They did, in fact. So here's the problem, is it says no trespassing, and there's a barbed wire fence on the bottom, right? And then you have those people's houses, which I don't know if they'd get mad or not, but really there's like a bridge thing that way. There's a little trail that goes around to it, which is pretty sick, but the people over there get really mad. Because my buddy went back here one time and then they like got all mad and we're like, blah, 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 video, you know. What the heck, dog? And we're videoing them and stuff. Really just don't want to hit a barbed wire going over that fence, though. Could go all the way around, but that would be so noisy. Also, it says no trespassing, but you know how I am. Because those people get mad. That kind of looks fun, though. I mean, it's just a quick little path out here. Like, I've gone down this. But just kind of going around there. Thing is, this barbed wire, I just don't want to catch it in my tire. Puncture my tire. Like, where's a good spot to go over it? If I had little bolt cutters, I could just... Because it's like every 4 inches, probably. That's annoying. There's no way I could just... I'll just do this. Just gonna walk my bike. Lift it over the barbed wire. Last time... It was really... You know what? Let me find a better section. Last time it was really... a lot higher up. Just don't want to puncture the tire. I could probably... That's good. And then just... Good. If I get a flat tire, I know I'll miss that jump. But hey... No trespassing. Mad boys. Ooh, no one can see you down here. There's a little hose. Crap. That is a lot steeper than I thought. So those are like little runoffs. And then what the heck is over here? Let me just park my bike so I can like get away fast if I need to. Some person comes out here and is like, gets all mad. Wow, there was that like, all those little areas. I think water is just supposed to drain out down here to the river. And then there was all those, and they had the covers on them, and then one is just like, boop. But yeah, this is an interesting place. People definitely come back here. Oh, I don't even have my knife on me or my flashlight. Yeah. Oh, dude, there's like little turtles down there. I see 3 turtles. It's pretty cool. Oh, there's people here. I don't know. I'll come back. Yeah, there was people there, so that was interesting. I'm just gonna get out of there. Oh, dude. I don't know if that's like the people that are kind of edgy, or that are like, you know, they want to fight, but I don't want to fight. So we're hitting the road. There's their car. I probably could have just said like, hey, what's up? But like, that was pretty awkward. I was like, man, there's like a giant freaking ledge down here or something, and then I just look over and I hear them talking. I'm like, shoot. Plus it's getting really dark and y'all probably can't even see. I might come back there during the day. Ow, that branch just hit me in the arm. Now I got like a freaking scratch there. We'll definitely go back there again. New spot added to the map. Like always, you know. Well, that's the thing. I've seen that on the like on the what's it called? On Google Satellite or whatever. On the maps. Oh, there's like kind of a cool rut right there. I've seen that on like the Google Satellite maps, but like I've never went back there because I always thought it was caged off, but I guess they get through there. I saw like razor wire, not just barbed wire on that fence. Maybe that gets open though. I had no idea they were there because I just kind of pulled up and I just stopped and I was just like, I just saw that little path and I just took that pathway down. So yeah, we'll be going back there. This will just be a really short Pitbike Adventures if I decide to post this. And we're definitely going to be getting a new car, but I'm just going to figure out which one. I kind of want to get more of a budget one, but then the Makunis, they were like maybe $70 or $80, so I was kind of like, I want to get one of those. Because those are pretty nice, you know, and you can buy tune-up kits really easy that'll last you your entire life. Or as long as if you have the bike. Just having those Makunis and rebuilding them and stuff. Alright, boys. See you.